Alright, hey everybody, we got train coming from Michigan. I do not know what train, not here in my vehicle. Aluminum holders. I do not know what train. I was hoping maybe I'd be able to get a wise guess at it, but no. Normally I have my computer and the radio, but not today. Oh, these look pretty new or just freshly done. Few flurries coming down again today like we did yesterday. It's such weird weather. It's like 2 degrees Celsius right now, which is about 35 Fahrenheit, 36 Fahrenheit. But when we look at 2 days ago, it was 28, 29 Celsius, or 85 degrees, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. We had that kind of weather for 4 or 5 days, and then now we're back to winter. We went from winter to summer to winter. No spring. But it's supposed to be normal temperatures, I think, pretty much for the next bit. Tomorrow, a little bit more. Tomorrow will be a train day for me because the new Via set is supposed to be coming over. By the time you see this, it would have already gone by, but still. Looks like a fairly big train. Still coming up the hill down there, so. And that's pretty close to 1 kilometer away, so. I think I might see the end way down there. It would still be 30-40 cars away. Yep. Was hoping for maybe a DPU or something, but nope, no luck. I haven't been seeing a lot of really like good cartoonish character art graffiti the last few trains. Usually there's 1, 2, 3 decent ones on every train, but lately we're lucky to even get one. Wasn't any on this one. It's not been as exciting the last, let's say, 4 or 5 months. The trains have been gotten really boring with just 2 standard CN on almost every train, where it used to be a lot more of a mix-up, like 2, 3, 4 of them, 5 even, and then the odd foreign powers, and it's just not been as exciting lately. I think they've gone to a normalized 2 CN for every train almost. 80 to 90% of them, I would say. Now, mind you, the last train that I actually got had a Norfolk Southern on it, so not counting this one. So maybe usually spring that picks up a little bit. Comes the ending. Decently length train. Maybe we'll get a light going the other way and get one other one. Depends on how long my buddy wants to stay. Usually not that long. But don't forget to hit that subscribe, huh? Whichever channel you're watching that I post this to, either Planes, Trains, and Boats online or on Train Fans, the Daily Train. This will probably be Train Fans. Alright.